Okay, guys, I don't have no drill, so I'm finna show you guys how to make a hole without a drill. I did all the other buckets. See, I did all the buckets. Yeah, I have to repot it again. Oh, it still was record. Okay, guys, as you can see, I don't know about these things. I bought these things from Timo, and I don't like the way they do it. I do not. It's like I gotta water it every day. Like when it get kind of dry, they be, you know, just like And those, I was able to get, I think, one tomato for these. I only paid $1 for these, so I'm not too worried. I looked up why they like this, so I'm just gonna let these do whatever they want to do. Ain't too much work because it only was $1. And this one under here, this a tomato. I was able to get a good tomato out for here. Jeez. And they tried it and they liked it. I don't like tomatoes. So yeah, as you can see, it got a whole bunch of other littles coming. And then the watermelon, see how long and pretty they got? Ooh, look at that. I can't wait. So I want to get it out of here. I don't think in here it's doing too hot. I really don't. So I want to get it out of here. And as you can see right here, some peppers coming. Somewhere over here. Where is it? Yeah, I have kind of a big one. See right there, that little one. I thought, you know what, I was peeling those off. I thought they was dead when it's like that. But yeah, it's gonna turn into a pepper. I'm learning. And look at my bell pepper. Look at that. Look how big it is. Look deformed. But this one look like a real one. But this one look deformed. But yeah, we finna get these out of here because they're not doing too good. Especially when they get kind of dry. I'm like, I gotta get them out of here. I'm trying to find my big pepper. I got a big pepper somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna get them out of the Timu cheap thing because they not doing good. A couple people told me what to do, but I'm just gonna. I found some buckets at Walmart. I think they was three something, and I don't have no drill. We don't know what happened to our drill, but we had somebody put holes in those last time, like that one, and that one. So I'm like, how can I get a hole in here? So I'm like, okay, I know what to do. I had tried, I think, this dirt. I don't really like that dirt, so I got a different one. Walmart, I don't know what's going on with them. They don't have no more plants. They didn't have no dirt. I don't know. So I gotta go to Home Depot. And this is my coffee and eggs. This is my coffee grain and eggs. And this is my cow manure right there. And so yeah, and I bought some more things. I'm gonna start for seed, watermelon. We're gonna try those for seed. I got some carrots and some onion. Do the hole. So what I'm gonna do to get some holes in here, I already got those three. We're gonna light a candle. We have some juicy watermelon. We're gonna light this. I bought this yesterday at Walmart. Okay, we're gonna get the scissors hot. This is what you do when you don't have no drill to drill a hole. Okay, then I just poke the hole in. Let's see, just get the scissors hot. Okay, got it in there. And then just turn it. And it'll make a circle. Oh. See? Just put it in there and turn it. Okay, y'all can see I got four holes so far. Okay, one more hole. I need to hurry up. It's getting dark. Okay, I got it in there. And see, I just turn it. And the further you go down, the bigger the hole it get. But I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. We're gonna put 2 plants in each bucket. And there's gonna be a lot of dirt. Okay, this is eggs and coffee. All the eggs and coffee in here. I don't have that many eggs in here. So I'm gonna crunch it up real good. Okay. This is what I did last time when I first potted the. I had put some dirt in there. Because those buckets take a lot. Okay, we're gonna leave that much dirt in there. We're gonna mix everything in here. I don't think so. Gonna put some coffee grain in here. It's messy, so if we all cute and stuff, it ain't gonna work. This is manure. Let's get dark. I'll mix it up. Okay, we got it mixed up, and we're gonna use this. This one got fertilizer mixed with it, so we'll mix this up. Okay, we got that mixed up. See, it's doing good in here, but it's just that Timu crowd. You should see it in the morning, be all drippy. I'm gonna put this in the bucket. Mix it up some more. Okay. I wanna be careful. I wanna be careful. Wanna try to get to the end. Okay, see? Put it in there. Okay. Spread it around. Ooh. It's gonna be a mess, so hey, look at the roots. Dang. I'm sorry. This is it. I promise you. I don't even know. Can I get 2 in here? Ooh. It's really messy. I ain't trying to be all that neat and stuff. Y'all don't like it. Y'all don't have to be here. Go watch somebody that's neater. Because I ain't got time. Getting dark too. I don't want to really waste none of this. Okay, we're going to put some dirt. Since I already have some manure, she just got that. Something without the manure in it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna bring these 2 over here. Make sure there's a pepper. Put a little bit in here. A little bit dirt in there. I probably should have just put one in here. I don't know. And then I had these on there to keep them up. Ah, and we're gonna put this one over there. Oops. It's a little bit dirt. We'll just let that stay in there. Put some manure in here. Mix it up. Steak in here. Put some coffee and egg in here. Okay. Now we're gonna put these. Ooh, that's a bell pepper and a pepper. I think it's okay. And let's take it out. Ooh, you can just hear the roots cracking. Oh, Rocco. Oh, well. Okay. Damn. I hear that root just pulling. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I done repotted these. I think this is the third time. But I'm not doing this no more. This is it. Look at all the roots. Ah, roots. Ah, look at that. Look at all the roots, guys. I'm gonna trim it a little. Just a little bit down here. Just a little bit at the bottom. But it's little. You guys think that's enough holes? I hope so. I got this from Timu too. This green thing. This is a tomato. I got one tomato for here so far. There's some cow manure. Mix it up, guys. Oh, that's straight. I should just put this back over it until I can buy those big ones, those big silver ones. Okay, guys, I'm done. This is the two jalapeno peppers. This is a tomato. This is a jalapeno pepper. And this is bell pepper. Yeah, that's the bell pepper. No. Okay, this is bell pepper and a pepper. See, that's what I should have did. I could have put the bell pepper by itself in there. See the bell pepper right there? It look all deformed. And then here go. There go one. And there's another one somewhere, but yeah. And this is a jalapeno pepper. Yeah. I could have put the bell pepper over here and put that pepper with the other pepper, but that fairy, that's me. I always do stuff backwards. And then I'm not worried about these tomatoes over here. See, I got another one growing. Yeah. If they grow, they grow. This one just barely started getting flower. And these is girly tomatoes. And they say they get 4 to 5 feet. So they're going to be tall as me if they grow. But that one, I took the tomato out for that one. Then they go, hey, watermelon. This is the one. I can't wait. They got some flowers. Can't wait till they get the little. I can't wait till we get the little watermelon on there. But yeah, I need to get this out of here. Like, quick. Yeah, I can't wait. Do y'all remember how little they were? All of these plants. They were so tiny. Oh, but yeah. I don't think I don't know. I say that, then next I'll be repotting them to the ground. I doubt it. I don't think I'm going to put them in the ground. But anyway, guys. Yep, that's it. That's it. Look at that tomato. Uh, Okay, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, we'll see you later. Bye.